piss and ate some bread. I got to live, I do some bread. I contradicted contradiction, monster vision. Saw this life and I pondered it. And I was only 16 when I wandered in it. I was living off dreams, now I'm sponsored living. I would love to talk, I got a concert. This shit is dope. See, I fucking sound like Drake, cause I'm great. Why must you hate? Why are you fake? Die in a lake. I am the good. Time of our great of all time. I just ate them alive. You can shut up and jive. That's why your girls hit me up all the time. Never hit them back though, but hit them from the back though. We can take it to the back, yo. See, I'm just spitting facts, bro. Mac go bro. I just put the city on the map on my back. I was broke, now I stack. I was busy spitting crack, living fat, pay the tax. Now I made it all back, bro. That's why I'm the go. mama couldn't even pass electives. Now walk through the halls and get mad respect from adolescents, looking up and asking questions. Dap them up, take a picture, sign the paper, sign a titty. They convinced me late Da Vinci, rock Da Vinci, new Medici, making history, making history. White girl, Balenciagas, I just been living a dream. Pull up on something, they banging, I'm killing the scene. Everyone follow the north, they want in on whatever we bring. I got too much on my mind, like I feel like I'm all in my prime. I got models and dimes that I never replied to. All these rappers are dead to me, who you alive to? This ain't nothing to me, I've been stunting since high school. Oh, I've been doing this shit from the jump. I got all of my niggas with cross outs where they got. I am a good.
Yeah, seen it in the 90s with the .coms. Nando, shiny poppin' shine dimes. We was still grimy, you